Hi, my name is Nick and I'm going to do a how-to on how to cure hiccups. The step is to hold your knees to your chest. So the next method is to hold your breath for a short period of time, usually 10 seconds. Breathe into a paper bag. It is to bite into a lemon.
You're good.
Last but not least, another method would be to drink from a cold water bottle. There's a few steps you could use to cure your